Okay, let's see if we've learned how to divide up the income in a partnership. Look at number 1 on your in-class exercises sheet, please. Daria and Farah began a partnership by investing $60,000 and $70,000 respectively. During the first year, the partnership earned $200,000. Notice I like to put the $60,000 and the $70,000, the investment up here, and I like to put the amount of income there. You don't have to, but it works for me. Prepare a calculation showing how the $200,000 income should be allocated to the partners. The partners agreed to share income by granting a $50,000 per year salary allowance to Daria, a $40,000 per year salary allowance to Farah, 10% interest on their capital investments, and the remaining balance to be shared equally. So let's rock and roll here. First, let's give them their salary allowance. Daria, he was going to iron the shirts, right? He's going to be given a $50,000 a year salary allowance. Let me highlight this so it'll be a little better. There we go, $50,000. Farah, I believe, got a $40,000 a year salary allowance. Remember, that doesn't mean they got that much cash. That's an allowance. For a total of $90,000, we started with $200,000. We just accounted for 90 of it. I think what's left is $110,000. So now we'll handle the salary allowances. Step 2, how about interest on their capital? We said we were going to pay it at 10%. 10% of Daria is $60,000. Looks like $6,000 to me. 10% of Farah is $70,000. Looks like $7,000 to me. So $13,000 of our income is going to be associated with interest on their capital accounts. We started with 200. We used up 90, leaving us 110. We're going to use up another 13 right now, which brings us down to $97,000. What are we going to do with that? The remaining is shared equally. So let's do that. Half of 97 is 48,500. So they're each going to get 48,500 credit to their capital account, and we've used up the whole 200,000, so there's nothing left to allocate. So how much shall go into each of their capital accounts? 50 and 6 is 56, and 48 gives me 104,500 to Daria. 40 and 48 is 88, plus 7 is 95,500 for Farah, for a total of $200,000. Why do I add that up? Because it better add up to the $200,000 I had to divide up. So there we go.